MissCarly. Thank you for coming back to watch another amazing video that I have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now let's get inspired by a wig that I have literally been stalking, the Penelope by Bobbi Boss, my dearest Bobbi Boss. So of course I had seen her in this pink color, and I was like, I want her so bad with this front area. She looks like a little dream from above. So of course she is out of the pink. My second choice was actually this yellow color. I was like slightly like, I need yellow since I have yellow fever in the summertime, and she was out of the yellow. But third runner up, one of my favorite colors to do, is a blue. So look at her. I mean, look how cool this is. She's also from divatrust.com, so do check out the link down below. There's also a link for all the promotional codes that they are running. So let's just talk about her really quick. She is heat safe. I gather right around the 300 degrees Fahrenheit. She is pretty long. I'd probably say she is 24 inches from top to bottom, even though she does really have these shorter kind of face framing layers right here. So really great. And then she has this super great like silver that melts into that blue. So really, really beautiful. Also, what's really nice about this wig is that she is a 13x4. Yay! So have fun with parting. So let's just take a look at that right here. So here is that 13x4 right here. Really nice. She has pre-plucked baby hairs. You can see right here in the front, so that is really nice. She is very light as well. She has a medium cap, so if you require a large head friendly cap, she would work for you. She has 3 combs. She has 2 combs right here in the side, and then she has 1 right back here with the fasteners as well. So really great. Let's put her on. All right, so I have my wig cap in nude, which I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I really like these wig caps. I, of course, will leave the link down below for that, including the link to my Amazon store, which has a bunch of wig needs, all the wigs that I've reviewed, and all of that good stuff. I put my wigs on front to back. Ooh, look at her. She's got these just gorgeous, like, just out of the salon. All right, I'm gonna come up to the camera and show you her lace. She does have medium to dark tone lace right here. So if you did glue her down, which would be optimal, would be really good. Along the hairline, of course, plucking her out a little bit would also be very beneficial to your best wig life possible. All right, so let's cut off this lace really quick. All right, I'm gonna stand up a little bit so you can kind of see where she lands with these gorgeous little soft waves. So just, you know, she falls just past mid-chest. So let's kind of mess around with the parting. So she, of course, has it on one eyebrow, which of course is probably like my favorite eyebrow. I'm actually just gonna shift the wig cap first just to see that look just quickly. Oh yeah, look at that. Just as easy as a wig shift right there. Wow, just love this. So good, so good. Okay, let's shift it to the other side to see if she does anything different. Oh, just these same, like, just amazing face sweeping layers right here. I really love this look. Okay, so let's put her in the middle again, and then let's kind of move her around using her 13x4 parting. super great. I would have a tough time with this because of my big, huge eyelashes. But this is definitely a look for her. Let's switch it on this side. Oh yeah. This is a little bit better for me on this side because she pops up just kind of like the card slightly. Yeah, this is good. This is real good. Just really in love with these color tones. And of course, this wig is from divatrust.com. All the links are down below, including those promotion codes that they are running. This is, of course, the Penelope from Bobbi Boss. And I seriously would love to know if you have this wig in any of the other colors, including that gorgeous pink or that yellow color. I would seriously love to know and see you in those wigs. So do check me out on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you and your wigs and being as amazing as you possibly can be. Because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in the Penelope, wear it, love it, and own it. And I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.